Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you exactly how to customize your iPhone control center in no time. On your iPhone, to add controls to the control center, we need to access the customization options, which is what we're doing here. To add a record, swipe down to open the control center from the top right corner of your screen. Double tap here to access the editable preview area, where you'll be able to modify your control center settings easily now. Now we'll click the Add Control option to proceed with customization of our control center settings. To find the control you want, like the record function, you can either search for it directly or conveniently browse through the available options by swiping, which helps you quickly locate what you need. Alternatively, there's a search bar above to quickly find the control you need. If you're looking to add the record control, search for record in this list and then add it to your control center from the search results that appear, making it easily accessible whenever you need it. You should now see the record control successfully added to your control center, and it's ready for you to start using immediately. Adding records to Control Center made easy. Check the description for an exclusive offer, like and subscribe.